Okay, let's look at this question. The model below represents a multiplication fact. You have 3 groups and 4 in each group. What is another way to represent the multiplication fact represented in the model? All right, well, I already said that I have 3 groups. That's important to know that you have 3 groups. Oh, that is way too big, I'm sorry. We have 3 groups, and I'm just going to put that. And we have 4 in each. Okay, so we have 3 groups and we have 4 in each group. So this here, this could be 4 plus 4 plus 4. Or you could also do 3 times 4. So let's look at our answer choices. 4 plus 4 plus 4. Well, there's that. I have one group of 4, another group of 4, and another group of 4. That is 3 groups and 4 in each group. 4 times 4. If this was 4 times 4, that would be 4 groups with 4 in each group. And I don't have 4 groups. I only have 3 groups. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. That would be 4 groups because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 in each group. And that is not what we have. We have 3 groups with 4 in each. 3 times 3, that would be 3 groups with 3 in each group, and that is not what we have. The correct answer here is A.